Hi everyone, and today we're going to learn about fractions on Christopher's channel made by Christopher's K-12 channel. Let's dive in. A fraction is a part of a whole thing or a group of things. They're everywhere in real life. An amount of fruit can be split into fractions. Seeing how we use fractions in our lives helps us to understand them. Look at all those 3 apples split differently. Next, let's go. Sharing equally. Fractions are made when something is divided into smaller parts or groups. The simplest way to divide up something is to share it out equally. For example, a group of 8 strawberries can be shared out equally in 3 ways, into groups of 1, 2, or 4. Those are 8 strawberries in that picture, and that extra one standing on the leaf. 8 shared into 8 equal parts makes 1 in each part. 8 parts equals 1 in each. 8 shared into 4 equal parts makes 2 in each part. 4 parts equals 2 in each. 8 shared into 2 equal parts makes 4 in each part. 2 parts equals 4 in each. There are 24 strawberries. 2 equal parts. There are different ways to divide something into 2 equal parts or halves. One way would be to say 1 for you, 1 for me, until none left. The number of parts in each group can then be counted for those groups. 10 frames. 10 frames can also be used to divide a number into 2 equal parts. When the grapes are sorted, you can see how many there are in each part. 14 grapes are split equally into 2 parts on these 10 frames. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Look at those grapes. There's more grapes. That's supposed to say 2. The whole amount has been shared out into 2 equal parts called fractions. Each of the 2 parts is called half, which we write like this. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Halves and quarters. A fraction is 1 or more equal parts of a whole. A half is 1 of 2 equal parts of a whole. A quarter is 1 of 4 equal parts of a whole. Dividing up. This pizza has been divided into 2 equal parts to make 2 halves and 4 equal parts to make 4 quarters. Did you notice that writing fractions are using 2 numbers separated by a line? For example, 1/4, which is 1 of 4 equal parts, is written as 1/4. This is the numerator. It is the top number and can be added or multiplied. This is the denominator. It is the bottom number and sometimes be multiplied. Adding halves. Fractions can be added together to make bigger numbers and sometimes whole numbers. Let's add some halves. Adding 2 halves. We see halves of things around us. For example, if we want a glass of juice and drink half of it, we will have a glass left. Half a glass left. When another half of juice is added to the first one, we have enough juice to fill a whole glass. 1/2 plus 1/2 equals 1 whole. Whew. Adding lots of halves. If 2 halves makes 1 whole, then adding another 2 halves would make a total of 2 wholes. An easy way to add lots of halves together is to first join any 2 sets of halves together to make wholes. 5 halves is 2 and 1/5. Let's try. Can you add the halves? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tell me in the comments. Bye, everyone. See you next time. Thank you for coming to our channels. So then, bye, everyone. See you in our next video.